What up YouTube? In today's video we are going to be replacing the axle. So there's not a lot of good videos on how to take off the axle, so we're going to start off by removing the rim. Then we have to remove the brake, the two bolts, the whole brake system has to come off. So brakes, rotors, and then I'm going to go to the other side and show you what else you got to take off. Then you're going to take off the tow arm. Then the camber arm has to be taken off, all right guys? Then the traction arm. Yes, you have to remove the traction arm. You don't have to remove this link, but you do have to remove the upper control arm and the strut. So you have to remove everything. All right guys, so after that, then you remove the nut on the axle. As you guys can see, this one's already been replaced. And then this should come off once you take off the upper control arm. And then, so to take off the axle, I actually didn't have a hard time taking it off. I just pulled it really hard. I'm gonna show the other axle right over here. So here's the other axle. So I just yanked it from this really hard like this, guys. So I just, like that. And it came off really easy. I didn't use no tool. I didn't use none of that. This axle, the new axle, was a little bit trickier to put in. I had to find the right spot and then do the same thing. So what I did was I grabbed it from right here, pulled it a little bit, and then pushed back, pulled a little bit, pushed back until it's seated in, and it's seated in perfectly. As you guys can see, you can see where the sensor is. If I could zoom in, see if I could zoom in. Let's see. I think you can see the sensor. I don't know if you guys can see the sensor, but the sensor's on the little rails. So once you do that, then you basically just reassemble what you guys just did. If you're running what this nut was, sorry I didn't mention it, this is let's have it right here in my mess of tools. Oh, right here. So you are gonna need a 32 millimeter, sadly. You could buy this anywhere, but I would recommend just getting a kit if you're gonna be stancing your vehicle. This Q50 is stanced. Not a lot of videos on how to do this, but it's really straightforward, guys. It's not that hard. You might have a difficulty time with this. What I did was I had this Milwaukee set right here, and I think it's this, yeah, it's this one right here, the 7/8 Milwaukee one. This is what I use. You can see it has special teeth on it, this right here, and I use an impact. I just sacrificed my impact. I literally just was hitting it with the impact right here, and I got it off. You might have a harder time, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me reassemble everything. If you guys have any questions, just hit me up. Oh, another thing, this axle nut on the old one, I did break it. There is a notch you have to do. I thought I notched it pretty well. Broke the notch, but I did not. So I did destroy the splines. So I do recommend getting an impact gun. Don't get a breaker bar. Just go get an impact gun. Use it for a day and just return it, y'all. Just return it. Or ask one of your boys to borrow it, or get an air one, because this would help you so much taking off this axle nut. So yeah, so let me put it back and I'll get to you guys soon. All right guys, so the axle's in, everything is bolted up. Pretty straightforward. I think it was a 2-hour job. If you don't know what you're doing, probably 3 hours to 4 hours if you don't know what you're doing, but pretty straight, simple, guys. If you're familiar with this platform, doing coilovers, just repeat the process. Just take a bunch of stuff out with the camber arms. So if you have any questions, guys, just shoot me a DM and I can help you out. I didn't do the other side because this axle was still good, and apparently if you look on eBay or Amazon, they don't sell axles as a pair. They only sell it separate. So, and they're both different lengths, so remember that, guys. This one should be longer than the driver's side. So the driver's side should be the shortest one. Other than that, guys, pretty straightforward. So I'll catch you on the next video. More stuff, it breaks on this car, you know, I'll update you all.